My favorite Indian street food is pani puri. What's yours? Mention in the comment section. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. If you like this channel, please do subscribe, like and share. So today's recipe is an Indian street food called Bombay Sandwich. It's a very yummy 3-layered sandwich made out of lots of vegetables and mint chutney. The detailed ingredients required for this recipe is given in the description box. Please do check it out before you start. The first step is to make the sandwich masala, for which I've got cloves, fennel seeds, black peppercorns, cinnamon and cumin. Dry roasting in this pan. Once they are hot and give out their aroma, we'll stop the flame. They've been roasted well. Now we'll switch off the stove. Into this masala mix goes 1 teaspoon of black salt and half a teaspoon of Amchur or dry mango powder. Now we'll cool this completely and grind it into a masala. So the second step is to make the mint chutney, for which I've got 1 cup of mint leaf and 1 cup of coriander leaves in this bowl. I've got 2 green chilies, a small piece of ginger, black salt and chaat masala. I've also got some lime juice which I'll be adding to this. We'll run this in a blender and make a chutney. So I'll make the chutney and be back. So I've got all the ingredients ready. I've got my mint chutney in here. I've got my sandwich masala. I've got butter and I've got the veggies ready. So I've laid down 4 slices of bread. First we'll apply some butter on it. Make sure you apply butter liberally, because if you don't apply butter, when you put the mint chutney on the bread will get soggy. So make sure you apply the butter generously. I've put butter on all the 4 slices. Now we'll go in with the mint chutney. Apply it on all the 4 slices. Now we'll take the potatoes and put it on one of the mint chutney applied side. Put some sandwich masala on top of the potatoes. Next, put in the cucumbers. Again, sandwich masala. Onions. Again, the masala. Now, put one of these slices on top of the onion slice. Now you will put in tomatoes on this slice. Masala, capsicum, again masala. Take another slice, bend side down and apply it on top of the the tomato layer. Now apply some butter on the top layer. This will help the bread crisp up once it's on the tawa. So that's one ready. We'll make the rest of them. You can apply some grated cheese on the last layer if you wish to. I do not like the flavor of cheese, so I'm going to skip that. You can add it if you would like to. So I'm using a pan which I've poured some butter into. It's melting. If you have a grill pan, you can use that. That will give the grill impressions on the bread and it will make it look better. I'm using a normal pan because I don't have one. Now we transfer the bread onto the pan. You can press down the layers so that it sticks to each other. And let's cook it from the bottom until it is golden brown in color. Let's flip this. You can see it's cooked well from this side. Let's cook the bread from the other side as well. This sandwich is done. Let's remove it into a plate. So that's yummy Bombay sandwich ready for you. This is a very filling sandwich because it's got 3 layers. So it's a meal in itself. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try this at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share and click the bell for notifications. Until I see you next time, bye bye.